Have you ever wanted to change your Outlook background to dark theme, but don't know how? Follow along in this step by step tutorial to change your Outlook to dark mode. Let's start by first clicking on File and then going down and selecting Options. Clicking on Options gives us a dialog box with many customizations, but for now, the only customizations that we're concerned with is Office Theme. Click the Office Theme dropdown, and you'll notice that there are four theme options to choose from: colorful, dark gray, white, and use system settings. Choose dark gray and click OK. Now you have a dark gray background. This background is not as bright as your normal theme, but isn't quite a dark theme. Let's use system settings to enable the dark theme. Choose File and Options once again. Then select Use System Settings as your Office theme. Notice that the background is white. This is because my system settings are in light mode. To change this, go to the desktop and right click in an open area. Select Personalize to change system settings. With the personalization window open, choose Colors to change the system settings mode. Notice default Windows mode is dark, but default out mode controls system settings inside Outlook. Click dark under default out mode and you will see an instant change. Now let's go back to Outlook to see if our theme has changed to dark mode. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled dark mode in Outlook.